This is our development series, and as usual, if you like these types of videos, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, share, and subscribe. It would seem like every week I take a walk around Mobay, I see at least one new construction project, many smaller than the ones we track on this channel. On my way to this particular site, I saw a couple smaller projects. For example, a building being constructed on the corner of a not often traveled street. Would you like to see some of these sites? Anyway, this construction site is on Union Street after you pass Overton Plaza and NHT, and just in front of the Montego High School. That's Brandon Hill. You can drive there to get to Farm Heights, Rosemount Meadows. It can even take you back to Mount Salem, out at Westgate. Someone even said they've driven there to get to Rose Hall. Did you know this? There was a guest house up this hill where they would also host events. It was called Richmond Hill Inn, if memory serves me correct. I found this write-up on them on this website. It notes that in the 1700s, the historic property in the eastern outskirts of downtown Montego Bay once belonged to members of the Jewers clan of Scotch fame. Its position in the greenery, 500 feet above town, affords sweeping views of Montego Bay and its harbor from the wide pool deck. Based on the location, the view of the city should be rather beautiful indeed. Did you ever visit the Richmond Hill Inn when it was open? How was the view? Word on the street is that they're building villas and townhouses on the property. The section over this side will be a parking lot. I don't see any signs re which company is in charge of the construction, but if you have any information, please share.